everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add underline in Canva. So it's quite simple. I have already this phrase written here, editing 24/7. So let's say I want to edit as in I want to underline this. So all you have to do is select this one over here. Okay, select all. So here in the top bar you can see option of underline that is denoted with U, and there's underline under the U. So let's tap in there, and simply, as you can see, there you go, there's underline. Yeah, the select, and yeah, this is how you underline. If you have the whole, if you want to remove it, you can simply tap in the same option and it will remove, as you can see. Let's put it there. And if you have the whole paragraph, then it's the same thing. You just gotta select the paragraph and tap in that option of underline. And yeah, that is how you underline in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.